by the numbers, based on the information that the National Youth Commission has, we conduct surveys for our data. We call it Philippine Youth Development Surveys I think every 2 years. But recently kasi medyo naging outdated yung data, but the most recent one that we have says that around 80% of the Filipino youth today want to be involved in national issues. At the same time, the current COMELEC data states that around 40% of, roughly around 40%, I think 43% of the registered voters are from the age of 18 to 30. That is the legal definition of youth, according to the National Youth Commission organic law. So those are our constituents. By the numbers alone, it shows that the youth as a collective, as a voice in this issue, and that's why NYC wants to make the West Philippine Sea a national issue. Now, it's not just an issue for people in Palawan, in Zambales, in Northern Luzon. We want it to become a national issue that can help foster a spirit of nationalism for youth today. Kasi po, nahihirapan na nga din tayo makita yung express yung modern forms of love for our country. That's why during our engagement earlier with John Lacson, we wanted to emphasize how can we express forms of love in ways that we can relate to. So, yung binigay ko examples, yung the romantic kind of love that yung mga kabataan natin experience. So for us po, yun po yung naging rallying point namin is we have to rally together the youth from different universities. And then we've been doing it for the past month already. I think we've gone to almost 8 universities already since we started this tri-agency activity, and we look forward to doing more of this in the coming months po.
Thank you, Asek.